Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's video lesson is about the days, months and seasons in English. Knowing the days, months and seasons are important in English. Let's look at the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn the names. Try to repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's review the days of the week quickly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just so you know, Saturday and Sunday are called the days of the weekend. Now, let's learn the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Let's learn the names. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's review the names quickly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's move on to the seasons in a year. There are 4 seasons in a year. The seasons are winter, spring, summer, autumn, which is also called fall. Seasons last for 3-month periods. The winter season months are December, January and February. The spring season months are March, April and May. The summer season months are June, July and August. The autumn season months are September, October and November. Today we learnt the days of the week, the months of the year and the seasons in English. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.